Welcome to our quick tutorial on changing your region in Valorant. This can enhance your gameplay experience and connectivity. First, launch your Valorant client and head to the main menu. Look for the gear icon in the upper right corner. Click on the gear icon to access settings and navigate to the region tab. It's that simple. Here, you'll see a list of available regions. Choose the one that best fits your location and click confirm. Next, restart your game for the changes to take effect. This helps optimize your connection. And that's it. You're all set to enjoy a smoother game experience tailored to your region. Remember, changing your region can help improve both latency and matchmaking quality. If you experience any issues, don't hesitate to check the official support page for help. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more handy gaming tips and tutorials. Join our community and share your experience in the comments below. Happy gaming, and see you on the battlefield. Until next time, keep leveling up.